Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to make the swing ball. So let us see the parts required. We need 2 small C bar, 1 medium plate, 2 small bars, 2 small L bars, 1 DC motor, 2 36T gears, 1 caster strip, DPDT switch box along with connecting cables. So let us do the assembly now. First of all, we will attach a medium plate on 2 small C bars. So take the C bar and attach the medium plate in this way. Attach the first column of the medium plate to this column of the small C bar. Leave 3 holes from the beginning and then place the medium plate in this way and fix it with the help of nuts and bolts. Similarly, attach the other C bar. Now we will attach the small L bars to the small C bar. So take a small L bar and attach it to the small C bar in this way and then fix it with the help of nut and bolt. So insert we have attached the small L bar. Similarly, we will attach the other L bar on the right hand side. Now we will attach a motor to the small L bar. So take a motor and attach it to the small L bar on the left side. Insert the shaft of the motor through the 4th hole of the small L bar in this way and fix the motor with the screws. Now attach a 36T gear to the shaft of the motor. Insert the gear through the motor shaft in this way and fix it with the help of an axle bar. Now we will take a caster strip and attach 2 tiny L bars to the caster strip at each end, one at the right side and the other one on the left side, like this. We have attached the tiny L bars on both the sides of the caster strip. Now, to hold our swing, we need these 2 small bars, and first of all, we will take the small bar and attach the shaft locker to the small bar in this way, such that the shaft locker is attached to from the 5th hole of the small bar. And fix it with the help of nut and bolt. Similarly, attach the other shaft locker to the small bar. Now we will attach the small bars to the caster strip through the tiny L bar. So take the caster strip . Insert a ball through the hole. So this is a tricky part. Use screwdriver to insert the bolt. And then fix it using nut. Now we will attach a metal shaft through the shaft locker. So we will place the axle lock here in this way and insert the metal shaft through the shaft locker and then through the axle lock. Then again, before inserting it through the other shaft locker, we will use one more axle lock. Insert one more axle lock through the metal shaft and pass the metal shaft through the shaft locker. Now fix this axle lock at both the ends. Now we will attach a 36D gear to the left hand side of the metal shaft. But before inserting, we will insert two spacers in this way and then insert the 36D gear through the metal shaft. Now we will connect both the assemblies together. Insert the metal shaft. Now we will fix this metal shaft by connecting two axle lock on both the sides. Make sure that both the 36D gear touches each other. The assembly of the swing box is completed. Now we will connect the motor to the DPDT switch. So let's check the output. Thank you.